Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Outlier AI. Let's get started. First, visit Outlier AI and click on View Opportunities to explore available projects. Onboarding process, submit your resume and complete a screening assessment relevant to your expertise. Some projects may require a virtual interview. Upon successful completion, you'll be added to a squad led by an experienced squad lead who will guide you through the onboarding process. You'll receive training materials and guidelines specific to your assigned project. Training is compensated upon successful completion. And the types of tasks are generating or ranking prompts, improving AI generated outputs, and complete other tasks that enhance other performance. Earnings are based on the number of hours worked and the specific project requirements. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.